Hi Dad, this is Dave. Don't know if you can see me or not. But I'm going to send you some of my extra camcorders that I'm not using. Keep in mind they need an SD card. I'll send you some in the mail. I think only one of mine has one. They all work pretty much the same, but they've got their flaws. That's why I'm not big on keeping them. Each one of them are a little disappointing, but maybe you can figure out a better way to do it. I might have just gotten frustrated. Well, doesn't matter. So you can use these to take videos of Grandma. I think that was the main thing. So please do. Again, I wanted to thank you for that book you sent me. It's really helpful. And just to let you know how it works, it's very flawless. Here I am in my lovely hotel room, typical crappy hotel that I've lived in most of my life. Anyway, I'm just coming to terms with that. But here's my iPad. So all I need to do is go to the book section. And we know about that. If I go to the library, I was just reading it, that's why it's open. If I go to the library, there's the book that you gave me. Sitting in the library section, I just click on it, and then I can go to any page I want. So let's say I begin at the beginning, and then I just turn the pages like this. Pretty cool, huh? So, like I said, I can't say enough about this iPad. If you ever get one, I'd spring, if you can afford it, I'd spring for the 64 3G instead of just the Wi-Fi. The 3G allows you to take it anywhere. You don't have to be in the house by a Wi-Fi, unless you're only going to use it in the house. But with me traveling so much, I use it everywhere. I don't want to be trapped by having to find a Wi-Fi. So because it's got this little thing on the back, I can take it in the park and read a book or do whatever. Anyway, that's all I got for now. Anyway, it's kind of dark in here, so I don't know if you can see me, but God, that looks so dark. Anyway, so you'll be getting these cameras in a couple days. Hope you can figure them out, and especially take some pictures of Grandma and get her thoughts on camera. I think that'd be a hoot, and it's something that you'd treasure forever, probably. So whichever one you think is most comfortable. The one I'm holding right now is a little bit different because it actually points up, which you'd think is kind of silly, but it's kind of helpful when you're interviewing somebody because you don't have to point the camera at them. You just hold the camera kind of flat and it automatically points up towards the person, so they don't really feel self-conscious. So it's the smaller Samsung. Alright, talk to you later. Love you. Bye.